That's an illegal use of a stuffed animal!
Don't get penalized with a clogged toilet.
Call the RHD Dream Team and get that bowl back in action with our 24/7 emergency response.
Our plumbing experts will get you back into the game in no time.
Call us today and see what the Dream Team can do for you. Win with the RHD Dream Team difference.